Ever wondered how you can grow your own fruits and vegetables at home? Well, you're not alone. Over the past few years, urban gardening has blossomed into a global trend, with city dwellers around the world transforming their balconies, windowsills, and indoor spaces into green, productive havens. The beauty of home gardening is that it's not just for those with sprawling backyards or acres of land. With a little creativity and some basic knowledge, anyone can cultivate a thriving garden, no matter how small their space might be. Today, we're going to share with you 8 super simple hacks to kickstart your own home gardening journey. From repurposing containers and vertical gardening to DIY plant food and natural pest control, we've got tips and tricks to help you grow delicious, healthy produce right at your fingertips. So, are you ready to get your hands dirty? Let's dive into these 8 super simple home gardening hacks. Hack number 1. Repurpose those old containers. You know, those plastic bottles, cans, and jars you were about to toss? Hold on just a minute. They can be the perfect new home for your plants. With a little soil, a few seeds, and some tender, loving care, you can transform these everyday items into a lush green oasis. It's not just gardening, it's a creative and sustainable way to recycle. Now that's a green way to recycle. Hack number 2. Maximize your space with vertical gardening. This ingenious approach lets you turn walls, fences, and even hanging structures into your own personal Eden. Vertical gardening allows you to grow a diverse array of plants, from leafy greens to blooming flowers, all while saving precious floor space. It's the perfect solution for city dwellers with small balconies or patios looking to add a splash of greenery. See, no space is too small for a garden. Hack number 3 is all about making friends in the garden with companion planting. This is where you pair up plants that support each other's growth. Think of it as a symbiotic relationship. For instance, marigolds and tomatoes are a classic combo. The marigolds help to repel certain tomato pests, while tomatoes thrive in the company. It's a win-win. So next time you're planning your plant family, consider who gets along with whom. Remember, plants have friends too. Moving on to hack number 4, making your own plant food. It's easier than you might think and much healthier for your plants. You see, store-bought fertilizers often contain synthetic chemicals that can be harmful to your garden's ecosystem. But when you make your own, you know exactly what's going into it. So, what goes into homemade plant food? Well, compost is a great start. It's rich in nutrients and can be made from your kitchen scraps. Eggshells are another wonderful ingredient. They're high in calcium, which can help strengthen your plants. Now, don't toss those used coffee grounds. They're full of nitrogen and can help your plants grow. Mix all these together, and you've got a nutrient-rich, eco-friendly plant food. This DIY approach is not only cost-effective, but it also allows you to recycle waste from your home. Who knew your plants could thrive on leftovers? Hack number 5. Mastering the art of watering. Watering is an art that can be the difference between a thriving garden and a wilting one. Different plants have unique watering needs, so it's crucial to tailor your approach. Techniques like drip irrigation can provide a steady supply of water directly to the roots, while self-watering pots can help maintain consistent moisture levels. Remember, the right amount of water can make or break your garden. Hack number 6. Keeping pests at bay the natural way. The thought of pests gnawing away at your beloved plants can be a gardener's worst nightmare. But fear not, for there are natural ways to keep these pesky invaders at bay. Have you ever thought about introducing beneficial insects to your garden? Ladybugs, for example, are a great natural pest control method, as they love to feast on aphids and other harmful bugs. Another effective and natural method is the use of neem oil. This plant-based oil is not only safe for your plants but also for the environment. It repels a wide variety of pests, including mealybugs, beetles, and whiteflies, and even discourages fungal growth. So the next time you spot a pest, don't reach for the chemical spray. Instead, consider these natural methods. Pests, you've met your match. Hack number 7 is all about timing. Seasonal planting. It's not just about what you plant, but when you plant it. Each season brings its own unique set of conditions that can either help or hinder your plant's growth. Spring may be the traditional planting season, but many fruits and vegetables thrive when planted in the summer, autumn, or even winter. Take the time to research the optimal planting seasons for the plants you wish to grow. There are plenty of online resources and gardening guides available to help you with this. By aligning your planting schedule with the natural rhythms of the seasons, you are setting your garden up for success. And it's not just about the initial planting. Seasonal gardening also involves knowing when to prune, fertilize, and harvest your plants. So keep an eye on the calendar and think seasonally. Remember, timing is everything. Last but not least, hack number 8. Encourage continuous harvesting. This is a strategy often overlooked by novice gardeners, but it's a game changer. Continuous harvesting involves picking your fruits and vegetables regularly as soon as they're ripe. This not only allows you to enjoy your produce at its freshest, but it also encourages the plant to produce more. Think of it as a little motivation for your green friends to keep going. For example, regularly picking zucchini when they're small will result in a larger yield over the season compared to letting them grow to a larger size. The same goes for beans, peas, and many other fruits and vegetables. So don't be shy, enjoy the fruits of your labor and get picking. And there you have it, 8 simple hacks to help you grow your own fruits and vegetables at home.